Hello, what is up, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a very beautiful fine jewelry unboxing from the brand Angara. And if you haven't heard of them, they are this luxury jewelry provider where you can get lab-grown natural diamonds, also like so many other beautiful precious stones and jewelry. Like, all of their pieces are so stunning and so beautiful. So I'm super excited to unbox one of their pieces today with you guys. But before I get into all of that, be sure to take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into the rest of the video. So before I get into my actual unboxing, I do want to take you guys through how to even purchase these items and what it's like on the website to kind of personalize your journey and your jewelry piece. So without further ado, let's jump into that. So here is the Angara website, and as you can see, they have so many different jewelry options. They have rings, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, engagement, wedding, like so much. If you scroll down, you can also see some of their different pieces on the website, and again, just so many beautiful jewelry pieces and fun designs. You can also filter by metal type. They have from platinum to silver and everything in between, so just so many different options. I think I'm gonna go with necklaces, and as you can see, the necklaces have a couple different categories that you can look into. I really love all of their pieces. I think they are so beautiful, and honestly such beautiful either statement pieces or nice classic pieces. So I'm gonna go with the solitaire option, and as you can see, they have a couple different gemstone styles. Again, they have different metal types, and just scrolling through, you can see all of the variety and all of the different pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this solitaire necklace. I think this solitaire diamond necklace is so classy and so classic. Like, it is just a perfect staple to add to your jewelry collection. As you can see, you can adjust skin tone on the website to kind of see what the necklace would look like on, and there's actually a lot that you can customize when selecting your piece. You can also see a couple of product images to get a better idea of what the necklace is going to actually look like. So you can see that you can choose between lab-grown and natural diamonds. They have different ratings of the natural diamonds that you can kind of click through and see a little bit of the pricing difference and just kind of what it would look like with those different diamonds. Then I also decided to kind of go for the lab-grown option because I feel like it was just so pretty and also a really good deal for the price point. And also, lab-grown diamonds are exactly the same chemical compound as natural diamonds, so you'll still be getting a real diamond with your necklace. You can see that the carat weight shows the difference between the different carat rates, starting with the half carat. You kind of just see the comparison in size, and I think that's super helpful when you're trying to customize and figure out which piece is perfect for you. I have been really into more dainty, more simple jewelry, so I think I want to go with the half carat. I think it's just so cute and so dainty. They also have different metal types, so they have white gold, yellow gold, rose gold, and platinum for this option, and I feel like I really like the yellow gold in 14 karat. I think that is so pretty and just adds a little bit of interest to the necklace with it being the yellow gold with the diamond. And I feel like the different options that you can have for the actual diamond is really fun. So you can get a yellow diamond, a pink diamond, a blue diamond, and even an Alexandrite solitaire, so a lot of different options for this piece. But again, I'm just gonna stick with the classic diamond. You can also adjust and edit the actual length of the necklace, so it can be as short as 16 inches. You can also look at the different chains. I really like the thinner chain. I feel like that's just really classy and also would kind of give the illusion that the diamond is kind of just floating on your neck. I think that is so pretty, and again, I am into more simple, more dainty jewelry right now. And so that's about it though. So you can customize all of these different options in your necklace to really put together the perfect solitaire necklace that you want. And I think that is so fun, and I cannot wait to see this in person. Alright, so now to the actual unboxing. They gave like a little bag. So cute. Like a little shopping bag for it. You know me. You know I love to like display things on my shelves. So like, okay, thank you. This is so cute. I'm just gonna put this in here for fun because why not? The vibes. So here's my little jewelry piece, and then this does come with a certificate of authenticity. I'll jump into this in a second, but first let's look at what I got. So unboxing from here. You know, I love a little personalized moment. Even the little sticker here has the brand on it. We love. Also bubble wrap. Incredible. Incredible invention. Okay, staying focused to the actual jewelry. And this piece is probably one of the most classy and classic items that you can add to your fine jewelry collection. Like, this is so beautiful and just so simple and elegant and like dainty, like all of the beautiful things. So I'm super excited to show you guys. Also, big shout out to Angara for sending me this piece, and don't worry, I do have a discount code for you guys, so I'll be sure to share that at the end. But yeah, so here is the box, and let's go ahead, the box to another box. And this is like a really, like soft leather. Really nice, and has the brand name on it. And it kind of just has this little flap, opens up. And yeah, like I said, this piece is so beautiful and I'm so excited to show you guys. But yeah, we'll go ahead and open it up. Are we ready? Big reveal. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Oh my gosh, like the little light on the inside. That is luxury. This is stunning. Okay, this looks, oh my gosh, there's cute little bubble wrap in here too. Okay, removed all the bubble wrap, but oh my, I feel like I'm getting proposed to right now. Like, that's so fun. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that. Okay. Okay, luxury, like this is so cool. But anyways, the actual piece. So it is this beautiful, beautiful diamond necklace. Let me see, I'll take it out of here so you can kind of see close up. So this is one of their lab grown diamonds, and as you can see, it's so stunning. Like, the sparkle and everything, so beautiful. So this is their classic prong set lab grown round diamond necklace, and do not worry, I will link the necklace for you guys in the description of this video, so if you want to check it out, it'll be linked there. And this is on the 14 karat gold chain. I'm gonna go ahead and just unzipper this back. So here's the chain. I'll go ahead and just take this piece out. I'm like, I want to be so delicate. It's so beautiful. And this is the half carat lab grown diamond. And let's just get a nice close up. Like, this is absolutely stunning. Stunning piece. Let me show you guys it on. And I believe this is the 18-inch chain. So this just has kind of like a regular little clasp on it. And again, like I said, this is such a beautiful, everyday, like forever classic piece to add to your jewelry collection. All right, so we got the clasp. Let me give you guys a close-up of it on. Put you guys down a little bit. And yeah, this is literally so stunning and just so classic. Okay, zooming you guys back out and up. Like I said, it does come with the certificate of authenticity, so you do get this with your purchase. And inside this certificate, it has all of the details on your jewelry piece. So you can see it talks about the carat weight, the type of diamond, as well as the detail on the gold chain. It also has a little picture on the bottom of what it is. So yeah, this is a lab-grown diamond. It is the half carat. The setting is prong. The color is F through G, and the clarity is VS. And like I said, the metal is a 14 karat gold. So this is just really, really nice quality, high quality jewelry. 14 karat gold, like you can wear this around, like it's not gold plated where it might rust or like kind of wear out. Like this is actually 14 karat gold, so it is really, really good quality. And yeah, this is just such a classy, beautiful piece. Definitely great for everyday wear. Yeah, like as I'm wearing right now, like I just feel like a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of diamond just adds so much to a look, and just, you know, it's like a little dainty item that packs a punch. I feel like it is just so elegant, and a lot of times I am wanting to style my outfits in a really like simplistic, elegant, classy way, and I feel like this necklace definitely achieves that look and helps me to continue to achieve that look in my different outfits that I'm styling. So if you are looking for something that is just so classy and classic, like this is it. This is perfect. But yeah, I really, really love this piece. And yeah, so that's my little luxury jewelry unboxing for today. And again, a big thank you to Angara for sending me this piece. And also, do not forget, I do have a discount code for you guys plus a free jewelry gift. So definitely use my code. I'll put it on the screen, and I'll also add it to the description box down below. So use the code, save some money. I also will be linking the website to shop as well as the exact piece that I have. So if you want to twin, if you want to match, definitely recommend it. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below what you think. What if you like are a big fan of a beautiful, just simple, classy solitaire diamond necklace? And also let me know in the comments what your favorite jewelry pieces are. Like, are you more of a ring girl? Do you just like bracelets, necklace, earrings? Like Angara has all those pieces, so don't worry. Like, you'll be covered, but I'm curious to hear what you guys think. Also, if you enjoyed this style video, little jewelry unboxing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.